Hello all, hope you all are doing well. Okay, so coming to the explanation of question number 3, factorize the expression of chapter 12, exercise 12.2 factorization of class 8. Okay, now today I am going to explain the factorize, how to factorize any expression. Okay, and the first part is ax square plus bx, how to get the factors of this expression. See, here is ax square and here is bx. Okay, so here it contains 1x and here it contains 2x, so at least 1x can be taken as common. Okay, now what is left inside? A, and out of 2x we have taken out 1x as common, so 1x will be common plus b. Okay, because this x is taken as common. So the factorization of this expression is x multiplied ax plus b. Okay. The second part says it is 7p square plus 21q square. We have to factorize this expression. Okay. So 7p square, and children, 21 can be written as 3 into 7, isn't it? Okay. Now we have got one common factor. This constant 7 is common to both the terms. So we can take 7 common, and what is left inside? Here the 7 is taken common. So we are left with p square in the first term plus, okay, this 7 is taken as common. So we are left with 3q square. Okay, so the factorization of this expression is 7 multiplied p square plus 3q square. The third part is we have to factorize 2x cube plus 2xy square plus 2xz square. Okay, so how to factorize it? In each term we have 2 as common. Okay, 2 you can find in every term, so we can take 2 as common. See, here there is x cube, here 1x is there, and here in the third term also 1x is there. At least 1x can be taken as common. Only 1x can be taken as common because इसके पास x cube है, but in the other two terms there is only 1x. Okay, so 1x is taken as common. Then what we are left with? In this x cube is there, so we are left with x square, because 1 out of x cube we have taken 1x as common plus x. This 2x is common, taken as common, so we are left with y square. Similarly, the third term 2x is taken as common, so we are left with z square. So the factorization of the expression 2x cube plus 2xy plus 2xz square is 2x multiplied by x square plus y square plus z square. Children, if you are following the explanation, okay, then kindly subscribe to the channel and refer my videos and channel to more and more people and ask them to subscribe as well. Thank you so very much.